Hello clubbers! So, andito na naman tayo. May i-share ako sa inyo ang aking breakfast. Very yummy siya guys and healthy. With spinach, with mushroom, and with turkey, smoked turkey. Ayan siya. Plus of course with egg. Sa ating lunch naman, meron tayo ditong Vindaloo and spring roll. Nakagawa ako ng Vindaloo guys dahil meron akong Vindaloo paste. Ayan siya. Very easy lang ang pagluto ng Vindaloo. 15 minutes lang siya, paste plus water, that's it. And sa ating spring roll, nakaluto na ako kahapon ng ating filling. So, naluto ko siya for lunch. Ayan. Since it's weekend guys and movie night, nakaluto ako dito ng nachos. All you have to do is to add meat and meron din tayong hotdog dito. Very yummy ang ating movie night guys na pagkain. Sa aking beef naman, huwag ninyong lagyan ninyo siya ng seasoning and then you fry it. Pero be sure guys na chunk lang siya, okay? And then, ang ating ilagay sa ating nachos is refried beans o maski walang beans na lang. It's up to you guys. And then, lagyan ninyo siya ng jalapeno para pang-cake sa ating nachos and top it with cheddar cheese. Bake it to 380 until ma-melt lang siya and then take it out. Maybe 7 minutes. That's it. So thank you for watching guys. Please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell. Thank you very much. This is Jennifer speaking. Mabuhay!